Hi, I'm Milton Chang of Bonsaiheirloom. Today is June the 10th. It's a scorching hot summer day. Oh, not quite summer yet, but it's a hot, scorching day. Today, I'd like to talk about the Crepe Myrtle tree that I'm really happy with. And later on, I'll show you a full-grown open tree. So the question is, why is the bonsai guy talking about landscaping trees? Well, first of all, crepe myrtle is a very good bonsai material. You can see the wonderful bark and the flower. It's a very popular tree in the southern states or warmer states. So for even in Southern California, more than in Northern California. For example, if you go to City Arcadia, that is the street tree. It's really beautiful when they're blooming. The virtue of that tree is that it blooms for a very, very long season. There are two Chinese nicknames for this tree. 百日红, that means it blooms for 100 days. Now, the variety I show you, I planted about 30 years ago. Now there are many more new varieties that have extremely bright, deep color, all the way from white to bright purple. So you have a lot of choice. And it makes a long blooming season as a bonsai. Now, we don't have any crepe myrtle bonsai for sale now, but in 2 years we will. And the other good nickname the Chinese has for this tree is called monkey sliding down the trunk. The idea is that when they, because these can be towering trees in China that are big, round like that, is that when a monkey tries to climb up the tree, they tend to slide off the trunk because they can't hold on to it, slippery. So you can see this is a landscaping crepe myrtle. And if I put it in the sun, you can see how bright the color is. It's just a wonderful flowering tree. And the one I just showed you just now, they were cut down drastically about a year and a half ago because it's along a walkway. And I didn't want it to really be too overwhelmingly big. And yet it's starting to bloom a year and a half since I cut it bare, to bare trunk. And they all shoot out to blend into a natural appearance. So it's very easy to propagate. You can buy a big one and start air layering it and create your many your bonsai for gifts. And they're very easy to grow. They're very hardy. They're a very strong grower. So again, I promote that as bonsai material for you to consider. Please stay tuned. I think we offer a unique channel where we provide valuable information that you can count on to be proven. I thank you very much for watching. Tell a friend to sign up to become our VIP because we have goodies to announcements to get as a freebie and so forth. Thank you very much. Click like, and I see you next week.